Hello children, today I'm going to show you how to make a paddle because in the next couple of weeks we're going to be doing some striking. The paddle is made of cardboard and it looks like this. And what you'll need is some cardboard. I am using the side of a box, a pair of scissors and an adult if you're very young, and some tape. So the first thing we're going to do is we want the paddle to be maybe 25 centimeters long. Maybe 25 centimeters long. So we're going to cut our handle up. We're going to cut our handle up a third of the way up the cardboard. Okay? And then we're going to cut off the end pieces. So it leaves the handle. So there is our cardboard bat with our handle, okay? But this handle's not very strong, so we're going to reinforce the handle with the pieces we've just cut off. So put it right next to it, like this, and you're going to cut it so it's exactly the same size. So you're going to put it right next to it, so it's level on this side, and then you're going to cut down the other side so it's the same width. So you're going to cut right along the edge of the handle we've created. Okay, now you have a piece that's the same size, and we're going to do the same thing with the other side. We're going to put it right against the edge, and I'm going to cut along the handle on the inside so that it's the same width. So all pieces are the same width. So now we have our bat and two extra pieces that are the same width as the handle. So what we're going to do now is we're going to stick this to our handle, but you're going to put it a little bit up the bat so that it reinforces the handle. You don't want to put it in the same place because then it will be very weak at the joint. So you want to reinforce that part. So you're going to put it halfway up or 3/4 of the way up so it reinforces the handle. Okay, so we're going to tape one side just like this. Okay, so it's halfway up, 3/4 of the way up, and then it comes down to the handle. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. We're going to put the same height on the other side. So what that does is it stops your bat from bending. And then you're going to put another tape around the bottom part to hold the three pieces of the handles together. And if we've got any extra bits, we can just cut them off. So now you have a nice strong paddle, okay? And we will use that for striking. So I'm going to make a paper ball. I have a piece of paper. I'm going to turn it into a ball. I'm going to scrunch it up nice and tight. And I will show you when we do our striking lessons how to use your paddle to strike your paper balls. Okay, I'm going to make another paper ball. And I need to get some practice before I try and teach you guys. So strike, 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 strike. Fun with our paddle. So, piece of cardboard, cut about, so there's maybe 25 centimeters of paddle. Cut your little handle, and then use the extra pieces from the side to reinforce your handle over the top so that it doesn't bend. Tape it together, and then you have a paddle. Okay children, you make that this week and we'll play with them next week. Have a good week. Bye bye.